Dear friends, I am here in Kailash Valley and I would like to convey you the instructions, do's and don'ts from Tourism Corporation, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Pakistan. So, it's for the tourist. Always ask permission before photographing people. Don't pay to take photos. Don't harass women in any way. Don't distribute medicine, money or other gifts. Don't walk into people's houses and temples uninvited. Don't disturb or dance at Kalasha funerals and festivals. Don't camp on people's land without permission. Don't install any banners or poster of any kind in the Kalasha valleys. Do not throw batteries or litter, including foodstuff, onto the ground. Do not disturb the Kalasha working in fields or in the privacy of the Bashali, the women's house of seclusion. Do not use streams for washing or cleaning. Keep all pollutants, even biodegradable ones, away from streams. Use the toilets wherever available. Buying local products benefits the local economy, but buying antiques and artificial robs the local culture. All meadows are preserved for animals' fodder. Avoid trampling them and do not camp without permission. Avoid parking vehicles in fields. So it is a very beautiful, captivating, smashing and heart-touching valley. It is free of pollution. Clear streams of water are flowing with a sweet splashing sound. Greenery is there and it is a paradise on earth. So the people and the government should take steps not to pollute this area by the careless attitude and behavior of the people. Okay, thank you.